Today we will be showing you how to install Boost Auto Parts wireless phone charger into your 1999 to 2002 full center console GM truck. At the time of filming this video, this procedure applies to 1999 to 2002 Chevrolet and GMC trucks equipped with full center consoles, as well as those only equipped with rear cigarette lighters. But for exact fitment, please visit our website at boostautoparts.com. Using a 1/2 inch drill bit, drill a hole in the front of the center console for the charger harness. Remove the mat from the charger. Guiding the harness for the charger into the drilled hole, place the charger on top of the center console lid, centering it. Screw in the 4 self-tapping screws that secure the charger to the console. Make sure to not over-tighten the screws when screwing them in. Open the lid and unscrew the 7 Phillips head screws that help hold the center console compartment in place. Using a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts in the bottom of the center console compartment. Open and push down the rear center console cup holders till they are in the fold down position. Remove the 2 screws behind the cup holder. Pull the center console compartment out of the center console. Remove the center console cup holder. For ease of video filming, the rest of this video will be shown on a bench. However, this can be done with the center console still in the truck. Unplug the connector from the rear cigarette lighter. To unplug the connector, press down on the tab and pull as shown here. Plug in the original connector into the black cylindrical connector on the Boost Auto Parts harness. Plug in the gray connector on the Boost Auto Parts harness into the cigarette lighter. Route the harness up and through the center console and setting it aside in the cup holder area, make sure the harness has enough length to be pulled through. Set the center console compartment back in place. Drill a hole in the front of the inside of the console. Route the harness into the center console compartment through the drilled hole. Connect the 2-pin connector from the harness to the 2-pin connector on the charger. Reinstall the 4 10mm bolts back into the bottom of the center console compartment. Re-screw in the 2 screws in the back of the center console behind the cup holders. Screw in the 7 Phillips head screws that help hold in the center console compartment. Close the center console lid. Install the mat for the center console. Make sure that the indentations in the mat line up with the indentations on the charger holes. Make sure that the phone location is sitting square over the charger. The charger has 2 modes. Mode 1 has a red resting light, and when a phone is charging, a light will illuminate blue. Mode 2 will have no resting light, and when a phone is charging, a light will illuminate blue. The charger can be turned on and off by holding the sub-flush button for 3 seconds. Your installation is now complete. To get these products and more, please visit us at boostautoparts.com.